Video number 5, how to do Facebook remarketing the right way. In this step-by-step process, I will show you the greatest 5 strategies to get the most out of Facebook remarketing for your business success. I will show you the easiest, fastest, and cheapest ways to apply these strategies. Those strategies are Datafile custom audience, MailChimp custom audience from your mobile app, custom audience from your website, and Lookalike Audience. Step 1. Creating the audience. Strategy number 1. Datafile custom audience. How would it sound to you if you could naturally advertise to your email list as many times as possible during the day without having to send several emails at the same time, which will end up burning out your list forever? That's exactly what you can do with this really cool remarketing service Facebook offers you with the first remarketing method in their platform. Once you're logged in on Facebook, you would need to go straight to www.facebook.com/ads/manage/audiences.php. Once you're there, you'll see the 2 different remarketing options Facebook is actually offering you at the moment. Go inside the first one by clicking on Create Custom Audience, and you'll be able to see the first and most important 4 remarketing options. You will click on the first one, Datafile Custom Audience, type a name and description, and with this option, you'll be able to upload a list of emails, Facebook user IDs, phone numbers, or mobile advertiser IDs. The easiest one to use here is the emails one. If you already have a list of subscribers, you just need to add them on a list, organizing them 1 email per line on a CSV or text file. Then what Facebook will do is find out how many of those people have a Facebook account registered with that email. And that's how you create the audience from real people with real emails. And let me tell you, a really high number of those email users will be on Facebook already. Then you will be able to create an ad to target those people specifically with any related offer of your choice. That way, you will advertise to them by email as well, as many times as you want on Facebook, 100% naturally. Don't you feel more confident buying an offer that has been advertised everywhere? Strategy number 2, MailChimp custom audience. Now that I have created a custom audience, the interface to create new custom audiences will look different. To create a new one, you just need to click on the Create Audience button located at the top right corner, and then you will see the options again. With this second strategy, you will be able to match your MailChimp list with people on Facebook to create an audience. This is a more direct way to create a custom audience with your email lists, but only if your lists are located in MailChimp. If not, you just need to use the previous strategy. The process is extremely simple. You just need to log into your MailChimp account by using the Facebook interface. We remind you, Facebook will not store your login details. Then you will select the list of your choice, and finally, you will click on Create Audience. It's that simple. In my opinion, this is the easiest method of all. Strategy number 3, custom audience from your mobile app. Creating a custom audience from your mobile app might be too complicated, so I would like to show you some places you may find out more information about it so you can decide whether to take the time and apply this strategy. To get there, you just need to click on the top right corner button again, and then click on the Custom Audience from your mobile app option. And right there, you'll be able to learn everything you need to know to apply this strategy. Before you create the audience, you will need to accomplish some very detailed steps. You can find those steps by clicking on Learn More. Right here, you can see every step you need to accomplish to use this remarketing strategy. The intention of this training is not to complicate your life, so that's why if you're not a technical person, we advise you to move on and take a look at the following strategy. Strategy number 4, custom audience from your website. This strategy is one of the most used Facebook remarketing strategies. This strategy is sometimes slower to build a custom audience with because it will depend on the number of visitors your website actually gets. It consists of installing a piece of code inside the code of your website. It is recommended that you place the code immediately before the closing /head tag in your HTML. If you have a basic HTML website, you just need to look for the head tag that will look like this, /head. If you have a WordPress website, you just need to go to the Appearance editor, look for the header.php area, look for the head, then paste the code. And remember to update the file. Now, you just need to wait for Facebook to track your visits and create your custom audience from the people who visit your website from now on. Then, once there is enough of an audience, you will be able to create an ad and advertise specifically to those people. Strategy number 5. Create Lookalike Audience. This strategy is not actually a remarketing strategy. It is a really cool way to reach new people who are similar to an audience you care about. You just need to choose a custom audience, a conversion tracking pixel or a page, then choose a country to target, optimize for similarity or reach, and finally click on Create Audience. You have to make sure there are at least a minimum of 100 people from the same country in the source audience you're using to create your lookalike audience. Marketing is all about statistics. There's a huge possibility that if you find a group of people who have identical needs and interests to another group of people you're working with and giving you great results, it's possible that you can get the same positive results from that new group of people.